All right, folks, welcome back. The seller was nice enough to send me a note here that I get elite prices on top Silver Age quality as a VIP customer. This is actually one of my favorite sellers. Let me make sure that I've got the right tag because I have several laid out here behind me. Oh yeah, these are just extra recycles. Use them. Oh, let's see what we've got here. All right, yeah, there's nobody's names being exposed there. Let's see what we have. All right, so folks, while you're watching this, I hope you enjoy the time. But just again, if you're inclined to leave a message, do so. If you're not, no harm, no foul. But by all means, please hit that like button. And if you like what you see, how I'm putting down these videos and bringing it across to y'all, then please, hey, by all means, subscribe. And, tell your friends. Hopefully you can let others know in the community that like these unboxings and art and comics and so forth. So these are a couple of slabs, and there was two in particular that I bought together. Hold on a second. I'm going to have to rip this out. I'm still going to recycle that. I don't want to damage anything. Oh, my goodness. I remember what this was. Yep. One of my favorite purchases of the last few months. Hold on. Okay, I'm dropping everything. All right, let's see. I remember this one. Yes, folks. I want to see this in its full glory. Hold on a second. I want to try to gently not damage this under any circumstance. All right. What this is Captain America, as you can all tell by now. Number 114 in universal grade. It's not one of my, super favorite. Oh, wow. I mean, the color strike on this is just marvelous. As good as it looks on this camera, it looks just as good or better in person. It's an 8.5 off-white to white pages. Captain America 114 from 1969 at 12 center. It's a high grade of 8.5. It's got, I guess you can tell there, just one minor one or two, but yeah, I'm not complaining here. This is actually just fantastic, as I had seen it the first time. Of course, it has a minor, could it use a cleaning? Possibly a pressing, but other than that, hopefully I'm not getting too close here for y'all, but close enough for y'all to see it. I mean, the color strike is just, I'm going to have to say it, it's striking. To coin a phrase. But yeah, there's that one minor tick on the spine off of the lower staple. But other than that, it's like, man, sure, it's not a 9.2, it's not a 9 this or that, but I am happy with this. This is just a beaut. It presents well for my PC. Wow. I always wanted to get a copy of this and something other than a low grade. So I don't mind having some low grades, but that one in particular, that one needed to be 8 and above. And at 8.5, I'm happy. Now, this one was at a mid-grade status, but boy, I'm so glad he sold it to me and that we agreed on a good price for this. Prices have fluctuated. We know the market's up and down, and more down than not in the last 3 or 4 months. Latter part of 2023. So I filmed this is February of 2024, but just there was a great price, a great deal. First appearance of the Spider-Man clone, Origin and Death of the Jackal. 6.5, but folks, that's white pages. Amazing Spider-Man 149 in a beautiful case. The back looks sweet. Of course, we can tell that the wrap is, the cover wrap is, off center a little bit, but that's to be expected for that. I've seen quite a number of copies that way for this issue 149 of ASM. I have no qualms with this copy. I love it. Between a 6.5 and an 8.5 Captain America. Wow. Yeah, it's lovely. Beautiful. All right, folks, hope you enjoyed that. Again, not to make this too long, but let me see if we can put these two side by side. These are ready to go into my personal collection here. Amazing Spider-Man 149, 6.5. Captain America, 114. Stanley Story, John Romita Jr. John Romita Senior Art, Salvi Shima Art, and of course, John Romita cover. It's just, wow. And I think this was the, Gil Kane and Frank Chacoya artwork. Classic. Big Spider-Man fan, so this is just really finally found its way to me. All right, y'all, have a great day. Have a great night. However this video finds you, please, again, on the way out, just leave a comment if you so like. Hit the likes button and the subscribe button, and we'll be able to get these videos out to as many people as would like to enjoy, a good time, and whether it's a break at work or a break from school or college or whatever. We're just, sitting under a tree at a park somewhere. All right, y'all. Bright moments. Gotta run. See you on the next one.